Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the laptop and ensuring enough battery. Plug in if needed. Once logged into your user account, focus on the network controls so you can act. Open the system tray or menu bar and click the Wi-Fi icon. This reveals available networks. Make sure airplane mode is off because that blocks connections. At this stage, you aren't connecting yet. Simply prepare the interface. This lets you see signal strength and network names before choosing the right one. Once you see networks, select the SSID with a strong signal and the correct name. Avoid similarly named hotspots. Click Connect, then type the Wi-Fi password. Make sure to toggle Show if you need to verify characters. If prompted, accept security or firewall permissions and choose network type. Mark Home as private so file sharing rules apply safely. After authentication, wait for confirmation. You'll see connected or a check mark. If the connection stalls, try re-entering the password or selecting another nearby network. You finish by verifying access. Open a browser and load a simple website to confirm internet. If pages fail to load, make sure the Wi-Fi icon shows connected. Then try toggling Wi-Fi off and on or restart the router. This often clears temporary issues. If problems persist, check IP settings and DNS, and run the built-in network troubleshooter to identify faults. One key tip: rebooting your laptop after router restart resolves many stubborn cases. This resets caches and renews your lease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.